Hello friends, welcome to my channel Basic Drawing for Children. I am Sudeshna Chakraborty. I have come again with a new video of a new drawing, and today we will learn how to draw an owl. Let's start. Now obviously we fill the color of this owl. Friends, when you will draw something, hold your pencil like this, not like this, and don't use any scale or compass or related any geometry box items, okay? And if you like my drawing, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notification first. And till next Saturday I will come back again with a new video by using easy steps, a new drawing. Until then, bye.